Hey everybody, Bill Sack here, Director of Legal Operations with the Second Amendment Foundation. We have a Supreme Court update for you the week of April 21st, 2025. The update comes in the case of Worth v. Jacobson, SAF's challenge to the Minnesota carry ban for young adults aged 18 to 20. Astute SAF supporters will remember that we won an injunction in this case at the district court, which the Eighth Circuit subsequently affirmed. That injunction, however, was stayed pending appeal, including while the state's petition for cert was pending. We actually agreed with Minnesota in this case that the Supreme Court should grant cert and take the case. But this week, SCOTUS denied those requests. So, is this a win or is it a loss? Well, it's a win for sure, just not as a broadly reaching of a win as we might have hoped. With this week's cert denial, the Eighth Circuit decision affirming our injunction stands. It is now the final judgment. We win. And now that the case has a final judgment, the stay on the injunction has been lifted, and 18 to 20-year-olds in Minnesota can now apply for their carry permits. But in denying cert in Worth, the Supreme Court declined to address the circuit split that has emerged on this issue of young adults and their Second Amendment rights. 5 out of 7 circuit courts that have ruled on this issue have come out the right way and held that 18 to 20-year-olds are part of the people as contemplated in the Second Amendment. But 2 circuits, the 10th and 11th circuits in now vacated decisions, came out the other way and upheld young adult bans of one kind or another. Had the court chosen to take up Worth, it could have addressed this circuit split and whether 18 to 20-year-olds are part of the people who enjoy the full panoply of Second Amendment rights as the rest of us, once and for all. So, the fight on this issue continues. Your SAF legal team continues the fight as we are involved in multiple young adult cases all over the country. You can read about those cases and the rest of the 60-plus cases your SAF legal team is involved in on your behalf at saf.org. I'm Bill Sack, Director of Legal Operations, Second Amendment Foundation.